So I want to share a little bit of perspective with you, something that normally would have freaked me out and probably caused me to run the other way, but I had this thought that I wanted to share with you. So I went to urgent care yesterday because I wasn't feeling well. My ears were getting really clogged. Anyway, long story short, I have COVID. So shocker, that makes sense as to why I feel like garbage this whole week. Anyway, they prescribed me some medicine, right, to help with some of the symptoms. Obviously, it's a virus and it needs to run its course, get some rest, blah, 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 all that stuff. But they gave me this medication, and one of the side effects on it says, literally, it may cause drowsiness, it may cause dizziness, it can cause blurred vision. So normally I don't read side effects because then I get in my head all about it, all the anxiety starts to happen and all that. It's not good, right? So this time I was like, screw it, I'm gonna take it and see if it actually helps. So I took it. Tastes horrible. And then I realized, okay, this is normally when I would start to freak out about, the side effects to happening. Maybe it's gonna happen, maybe it won't. And I'll get in my head about it and it'll freak me out and a big old spiral, downward spiral happens, right? So I took this medicine and I was thinking, that was the old pattern that I used to think about. Now I'm thinking, well, take every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Well, at least the blurred vision will only last 4 to 6 hours. If it does happen. The dizziness will only happen for 4 to 6 hours. That's it. Can I survive 4 to 6 hours? Absolutely. So just amazing what perspective can do on a day-to-day basis, even stuff like medication side effects. So I thought that was kind of funny to share with you, the power of perspective. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day.